Welcome to Learn a Lot. In this video, we will create and configure Lifter LMS plugin in WordPress. It is one of the best and powerful learning management system plugin in WordPress. Using this plugin, we can create and sell our online courses from our own website. Let's install Lifter LMS plugin now. Open your WordPress admin panel by typing your website /wp-admin and log in with your admin username and password. Go to Plugins and type Lifter LMS in search bar. Install and activate the plugin. Now click on Get Started Now button in the Lifter LMS welcome page. We have to configure our essential pages, and the pages will be created by Lifter LMS automatically if the pages are not available in our website. If you want to know more about the pages, you can go to the knowledge base by clicking these links. Now the payments. We can change the country details and the currency details for processing the payment. You can use the offline payment feature by selecting the Enable Offline Payment checkbox. We have to install Payment Gateway plugin to accept online payments. If you want to give access to the Lifter LMS to collect the non-sensitive data and usage information in your website, you can allow and you can get a coupon for that, or you can simply click on No Thanks button. Now the setup is completed. We can install a sample course, or we can start building the course from scratch. Here type the course name, description of the course, and click on Launch Course Builder. There we can see three types of elements: session, new lesson, and existing lesson. Our course has one section and two lessons and one quiz. I will create a session name week 1, and I will add a lesson to the session 1 and one quiz for lesson 1. This is edit lesson settings icon, add assignment icon, quiz icon, content icon, video icon, audio icon, enroll student only icon, and prerequisites icon. Click the WordPress lesson builder icon to add some content to the lesson. Add content like images, text, and click on update. We will add a quiz to this lesson. You can add a lesson, assignments, and quiz here. We can add content to the quiz description too. Passing percentage, limit attempts, time limit for the quiz, show correct answers and randomize question order. Now we will add a question. Click on Add Questions. For free version of Lifter LMS, we can add three types of questions: multiple choice, picture choice, and true or false question. Now we will add some question to our quiz. We will try all type of questions. Now click on Publish button to Now click on Published button to publish the quiz in our course. Click on Save Changes button and click on Exit. Our course is created and the lessons and quiz added. We can add the course to a category by creating a category here. We can see all our existing lessons here. We will add a featured image for our course. If you want to generate a certificate or if you want to create achievements once the student completes his course, then we will create engagements for the particular event. First we will create certificate template, next we will create an engagement. Click on certificates and click on add certificate button. Add some text and images to the certificate and publish the certificate. Now come to the engagement section, type engagement name, click add engagement. Here we can see multiple type of triggering events and engagement types available. Select student completes course from the triggering event drop down. Select the course, select the engagement type as award a certificate. In select an engagement we have to select the certificate. Click on publish. Now we will create an achievement. Click add achievement. Add title of the achievement. Select the icon and click on publish button. Now we'll create another engagement for our achievement. We'll test our course now. Open a browser and come to the course page. Click on the course. It's showing an alert to enroll the course, but there is no enroll button. To show the enroll button, go back to the WordPress admin panel and edit the course. Scroll down to course options. In sales page tab, add access plan by clicking on add new button. Type access plan name, price, payment frequency. If the course is free, then select the checkbox no payment required. We can give access expiration and plan availability here. Click on save button and update the course. Now come to the course catalog page and refresh the course. Now we are able to see the enroll button. We'll fill the student information here. Yes, course enrollment alert came here. We'll start the lessons. We'll start the quiz. We have completed the quiz. Here we can see the course completion percentage and passed a quiz notification. We have received a notification for course completion certificate and our achievement. Click on dashboard. Here student can see his grade, achievements, and certificates. Here students can save or print the certificate. We can see order history here. Now come back to the admin dashboard. In Lifter LMS menu, click on reporting. Here we can see the enrolled student list, details of the enrollment, grade achievements, certificates. In course, we can see the enrolled students for each course and average grade for the course. We have not created any memberships. We can see the quiz reports here. Click on sales to get sales reports and enrollment reports. In Lifter LMS general settings, we can able to view activity of the week, number of enrollments, number of registrations, net sales and lessons completed. We have completed exploring all the basic concepts in Lifter LMS. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe this channel.